You define a shadow job pointing to a task defined on an HCL Universal Orchestrator engine, when you want to track locally the status of that remote task. To bind your shadow job to the remote task, you specified the related details. The bind process maps the shadow job with the remote task that meets the details you have set. Let's see it in practice. From the HCL Universal Orchestrator UI, create an API key of type cross-dependency by specifying all the required details. Copy the API key to the parameter member containing the CRDOP statement of your controller, starting from column 1. On the HCL Universal Orchestrator engine, schedule the remote task, of which you want to track the status. On the Z controller, schedule the local shadow job pointing to the HCL Universal Orchestrator remote task. After the bind is established, the status of the remote task will be reflected on the status of the local shadow job. Now your shadow job contains all the available details of the bound remote task. Well done.